Alright, the partial special journals and the accounts payable general ledger account from forms that were used for the work together earlier this chapter. General ledger account forms are given in the working papers. Cash, accounts receivable, sales tax payable, sales purchases. Your instructor, that's me, will guide you through the following examples. Post the October 31st column of totals of the sales journal. So the sales journal. Go through and find the sales journal. That's the purchases journal. Cash payments, general journal. The sales journal. That's not it. That's not it. Is it 12.3? Sure, it's like the one on the left. Sales journal. So we have to post these totals. So you have 73, 77, 60 for accounts receivable debit. So now we got to find accounts receivable. Accounts receivable is there? There it is. It's on 12.6. So here's accounts receivable. And we're going to post this answer right here. Accounts receivable 73, 77, 60. So on the 31st, this is the sales journal number 10. Yep. And this is a 73, 77, 60. That's this number right here. Debit, the total. 73, 77, 60. We add that together. Well, that's the application problem. Here we got the $12.6. Where's the other? And it should be 87, 33, 34. 87, 33, 34. Now, 1130, we're going to put 1130 right here. 1130. So that way, because you know how we usually post it here? How come we didn't post Maria Farrell there? Anyway.
We did.
You know the post reference column? Oh, we did? I just don't have it. What number is it? Then you got 6.
Wouldn't it be 120?
I don't know that we have a Maria Farrell. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 120. Yeah, that's it. I just didn't write it in there.
So how can you put anything in the first reference on the totals?
On the totals, because we're going this way. The totals, this is for this. So we're going to put it underneath.
Okay.
So nothing in here. It goes underneath. So sales, because this is 3 columns, 3 different accounts. So then sales credit will go right here. So sales credit here on the 31st was for 69.60. That's 10. That's a credit for 69.60. And that is 240, 295. 240, 295. 4110. We're going to go right here. 4110. Then sales tax payable credit for 417.60. Sales tax on the 31st. That's 10. There's a credit for 417.60. So new balance is 417.60. 2140. 2140. Alright, so we did the sales journal. Now the next step is we're going to post from the purchases journal. If you remember the purchases journal, I think that was 12.1. Yes. 12.1. The purchases journal, we have some totals here. Right? See this total? This total is purchase debit, accounts payable credit. So let's find purchases, also on 12.6. That's this here. So we're going to post this purchase debit. So on the 31st, this is going to be P10 11,818.40 debit. 11,818.40 debit. So our new purchase balance is 118,378.
Can we go back to
Sales tax. Getting this, Sid?
yes. That is 60. That look like
7-1. It's 60. 417.60. Purchases
first purchase is
at the bottom. That's on 12-1. So 11,818.40. 11,818.40. We add that together and get 118,378. Now 5110. Now this has two. This column is debited and credited. It's the same thing. So we go 5110. And now we got to do accounts payable credit. So we got to find.
So never mind.
The accounts payable credit, receivable, sales tax payable. Where's accounts payable? Farrell, Electronics, Fredo Lopez. There it is. It's on 12-5. So accounts payable credit. Here's accounts payable. So we're gonna accounts payable credit. This is on the 31st. This is P10 for 11,818.40. It's credit. 11,818.40. It's going to be 16,880.20. Our new balance of 16,880.20. 2110. 2110. See that? Right here? Since there's two accounts right here that are being debited, one's credited, we have two post references on the bottom.
So for the purchases or the accounts payable, you just go for this.
Yeah, you take this number again because we debited the purchases and we credit accounts payable.
Okay, so all we use is we still use this.
Yeah.
Alright, so we don't have to put something on
Not there yet. Okay, so we did that. Now the next thing, we're just posting the totals of all these journals. So we posted the purchases journal. Now we got to post the cash receipts journal. So break out 12-5 or 12-4, the cash receipts journal. We have all of these totals we got to post. So nothing goes here. General debit, there's no total to post. So we're just going to put a check mark here. No total to post here. Okay? Because general debit, there's no account ledger for general debit, general credit. So we got accounts receivable credit. Where do you suppose we'll post that to? The accounts receivable ledger, which is I think 12-6, if I remember right.
Can you go back to
The general ledger posting. These? Or which one?
12-6.
12-6.
Sorry. Where did you write?
Which one? What do you need? What are you trying to figure out?
Still the accounts payable.
Accounts payable?
Yeah. Where would you-
The accounts payable,
Right, so,
there is no accounts payable on here. There's cash, accounts receivable.
yeah,